Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to speed up your fingerprint sensor on your Android device. So in case your fingerprint sensor was working too late on your device, so if you want to speed up these guys, so just you need to watch this video till end very carefully. So for this guys, you don't need to download any extra third-party application. Just follow this easy and simple method. First you need to open your phone settings and scroll down and go to security and location and go to fingerprints. Now here what you need to do guys, once again you need to add the fingerprint on your device. So just don't delete your old fingerprints, just tap on add new fingerprint. Once again you need to configure your fingerprint on your device like this. So this process will 100% improve the sensitivity of your fingerprint. So this is the very nice and very easy hack to improve the fingerprint sensor sensitivity on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.